Now, let's talk about how to blog using ChatGPT. We utilize answerthepublic.com to find keywords and then use ChatGPT to create blog content with assistance of AI so that it can rank on the first page of Google.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
The first step is to create or log into answerthepublic.com. It allows you to find keywords that are relevant to your blog topic. You can use it 3 times a day, so make the most of it. Select the keywords that best fit your content. Copy these keywords for use in ChatGPT. So we have signed in to the website called Answer the Public. I will write a topic. Suppose I want to write on digital marketing course and I want to find relevant topics which I can use to write blogs on. So I will type my topic over here and I will click on search. The moment I will click on search, it will give me so many topics. So I can select the keyword like this keyword, are digital marketing course worth it? What does digital marketing course include? So you can see the number of searches. So you can select the topic which is having high number of searches. So there's a topic called is digital marketing course useful? And I think this is a relevant topic for my blog. You can select so many topics from over here. See, there are so many topics which this tool has found, and you can write the blog on these topics as well. So I will select one particular topic, how long a digital marketing course take. I will click on it and it will share how many, like on this topic, how many people have written the blog. So you can see there are so many websites who have written a blog on this particular keyword. So I am sure that this keyword is trending. So I will copy it and I will. But before we conclude, let's circle back to AI. AI is rapidly transforming various industries, including digital marketing. To stay competitive, we need to harness the power of AI. That's where our exclusive AI Tools workshop comes in. This 3-hour workshop will teach you how to leverage AI to boost your productivity, enhance your skill, and secure your career. The link to the workshop is in the video description. Don't leave your career to chance, empower yourself with AI. Write a prompt over here, write a blog post on, and I will copy and paste the topic over here. And you can mention your website as well. So let me do. You can mention your website. Let's say your website is microsdigital.com. So mention your website so that while writing a blog, it will write or it will mention your website. You can write down the name of your website. You can write the name of your business. And I can write down my name as well. Digital marketing trainer, Parikshit Khanna. Okay. With a simple prompt, ChatGPT is writing a blog for me. And it will even mention my website as well. See, so as we have mentioned it to write mention our website, it has mentioned our website as well, and it has mentioned my name as well. So using ChatGPT, you can write blogs on trending topic. You can do keyword search from answerthepublic.com, and then you can use a prompt called write a blog post, mention your blog topic, mention your website, mention your name if required, and then ChatGPT will write a customized blog for you, which you can copy and paste it to your website or on LinkedIn as well. Thank you so much.
That's all for today's video. I hope you found the insights on how to blog using ChatGPT helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, be sure to check out AI Tools workshop in the description. We love to have you join us and equip yourself with the knowledge you need to succeed in the digital age. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.